Hey everyone, it's Mad Tzen here. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to adjust color palettes in Procreate in two simple ways. The first is the ability to move colors from within the same palette. Say for example, I wanted to move a purple. I just hold onto that color for a few seconds to pick up the purple, then drag it to the right. If you experience a glitch, such as the color disappearing, just tap on a different tab down here, then tap back on the palettes tab, which should then show the color you've just moved. The second is the ability to move colors from one palette to another. Let's start by creating a new palette. For this example, I'll use orange and I'll hold onto an orange for a few seconds, then drag it into the new palette. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any requests, feel free to tell me in the comments below. See you in the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.